In this video, we'll show you how to unbox and set up your Dell Premier Rechargeable Active Pen PN7522W. Before opening the box, turn over the box and note the PPID number printed on the label located behind the box. Use this number to register your pen at dell.com/support/warranty. First, cut the seal and open the box. Then slide out the tray. Inside the box, you'll find the Dell Premier Rechargeable Active Pen, a USB Type-C cable, 2 replacement nibs, a nib remover, quick start guide, and the warranty, safety, and regulatory document. The PPID number can also be located on the barrel of your pen. Before using the pen, you'll have to charge and activate the pen. To do this, connect the USB Type-C cable to your computer and to the USB Type-C port on the pen. A pop-up window appears requesting for you to pair and synchronize the pen to your computer through Bluetooth. Click Connect. After Bluetooth pairing is completed, a prompt for automatic download of Dell Peripheral Manager will appear on your computer if it is connected to the internet. Keep the pen connected to your computer until it is fully charged. If Dell Peripheral Manager did not automatically download or is not already installed on your computer, go to dell.com/support and search for Dell Peripheral Manager. Download Dell Peripheral Manager and follow the on-screen instructions. Dell Peripheral Manager is required to configure the pen buttons and adjust the sensitivity of the pen nib. To enjoy all the features of your product, ensure that the latest version of Dell Peripheral Manager is installed. When using your pen, hold your pen as you would a normal pen or pencil, and avoid pressing the barrel buttons. You have successfully unboxed and set up your Dell Premier Rechargeable Active Pen PN7522W. If you need more information or assistance, go to dell.com/support/PN7522W.